it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collab with two other badass beauty YouTubers, Annette's Makeup Corner and Beauty Riot X. For our collaboration video together, we are going to be doing the face-off challenge. It's sort of like palette bingo in that random numbers are picked that associate with each color in a palette, and then you have to use those random colors to create a look. For our video, we wanted to, of course, use something that all three of us had, so we are going in with the Melt Amor Eterno collection, the Vida and Muerte palettes. Oh my god, these magnetize together? What is this sorcery? But before we get into all that, we must light the cat candle. This little baby has a metal cat skeleton inside, and I only light him while I am filming so that someday we can all see the skeleton and the glamour inside of our cat. Ooh, fire. The cat is on fire, we can officially start. If you are not already following Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner, I mean, I don't know what advice I can give you in your life because you're obviously failing. Kidding, of course. Annette is just an amazing, amazing makeup artist who I feel like has one of the best uses of color of anybody I've seen. She can take colors that you feel like are not supposed to go together and create stunning looks with them. Like, it is not uncommon on her channel for you to see her put 4 colors in the crease with a different color dots over here and a different color waterline, and she makes it look banging. So if you like color, Annette, I feel like she is definitely your person to follow. Plus, I'm way behind on this game, but I only just recently found out that this badass makeup artist is also a badass poker player, as in has won like world championships. Poker player. She's just awesome all around. You need to go follow her if you're not already. And next is Jen from Beauty Riot X. Jen is she's like a sister after my own heart. I love that before all of her videos, she has a disclaimer that's like, hey, guess what? I curse in my channel and this may cause temporary blindness and things like that. She's just hilarious and she's just like a fun channel to boot. Her videos kind of remind me of what old school YouTube used to be. So it's like tutorials and product reviews and unboxings and things like that. So it's this really good mix. So it's kind of like no matter what style of beauty video you like on YouTube, she's probably got you covered. Plus, I mean, she's just gorgeous. Both of these girls are gorgeous and I am like cowering in their presence. First, let's go over the colors that were picked because holy crap, they're interesting. Annette did use random.org and she put in from 1 to 10 because there are 10 colors in each palette, and she picked 3 numbers from each palette, so those are the colors we'll be using. So, oh god, it's interesting. So from the Vida palette, the colors we are going to be using are Papel Picado, which is this bright chartreuse green, Aqua Ardiente, which is a very cool toned, almost olivey brown, and Pan Dolce, which is a bright orange. So from the Muerte palette, we have Duelo, which is a sort of teal, deep blue. We have Katrina, which is a deep, sparkly blue. And then Corazon, which is just bright ass red. Let me show you swatches of all these colors together so you can see the color palette I'm working with. So here's the color scheme we're working with. Forgive my absolutely shitty swatches here, but yeah, there's a lot going on here. Admittedly, Agua Ardiente, which is that kind of olivey brown, is one of my least favorite colors in both of the palettes. It just doesn't appeal to me, so I'm struggling a little bit with that one, but you know, every other color is just really beautiful. I'm not sure how this is gonna work. This is a lot. Now I will admit, while I haven't played with these colors yet on my eyes, I did sort of get an idea of what I want to do. We'll see if it works, but I do already have my face makeup on and my eyebrows. We're in this together, my friends. We're in this together. I'm gonna zoom everyone in so we can see the eyes, but here's my question. You know those beauty YouTubers that all have the little clips, but they've got like those felt things on them so they don't mess up your hair? What are those called? Where does one get those? So we're going a bit old school here, and I'm starting with the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk. This is just to lay down a bit of a whiter base so that these colors really pop, because concealer is what I usually use for my eyeshadow base, but I really want this to be bright as hell. So I'm first going in with Papel Picado, which is this bright chartreuse green, and this is actually my favorite color, I think, out of both palettes. And I'm gonna pack that on right on the inner corner, probably about the first 2/3 of the eye. Ugh, I just love this color so much, I just want it to be the standout. Next, I'm going in with Pan Dolce, which is a warm orange. It's all orange is warm, Linda. This one almost has a pink undertone to it, so it's almost a little bit salmon, but not quite. I'm gonna put that on the outer third of my lid. I don't know how well these colors are gonna blend together, but we shall see. that's kind of nice. It sort of looks like a festive drink, doesn't it? I'm probably gonna have to go back in with that color, but now we're moving on to the Muerte palette, and I'm dipping into Corazon, which is a beautiful, just a bold red. It's got slight blue undertones, but it's just, I mean, it's red. And I'm gonna take that around the edges of Pan Dolce, all the way up and all the way in to my inner corner. I'm gonna be taking this under my eyes just a scotch as well, only about the outer quarter of it, so that way this can continue. Don't know how I'm feeling about this shape, but I'm gonna trust the process. Trust the process. Crazy. Going back in with the orange to just brighten that up. So here's the part I'm most nervous about, I think. I'm going in with Agua Ardiente, which is the olive brown something or other. I'm gonna take just a little bit of that on a pointy, fluffy, fluffer nutter brush. And I'm gonna just put that right here in the crease on the outer edge and hope it doesn't mess everything up. That's not too bad. It's just separating it a little. Oh, put a lot there. Oh, damn it. That's what I was afraid of. Ah, now there's just like a big brown blob. Taking a little more Corazon to blend out where it got dark and now it's muddy. Going in with a clean blending brush again to blend out that Corazon just in this inner part a little bit where it's looking a little harsh. I think I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Pan Dolce and put that just right on the edges here to help it blend out a little more. Oh my God, this is looking nuts. Okay, gotta move on or else I'm gonna stay there forever. Next, I'm gonna take Duello, which is that matte sort of teal blue, and I'm gonna put that all the way under my eyes, kind of big. And finally, the sixth color, this is Katrina, which is again a bright sparkly blue. I'm gonna take just a little flat shader brush. I'm going to dip it into the shadow and then wet it. Hopefully this will get that metallic sparkle going, and I'm gonna put that right over Duello and bring that down a little bit as well. Give it a little smoky smoke. Oh, that's pretty. So this is usually not something I do, but I feel like kind of a minty waterline. So I'm going to use this Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in turquoise, and I'm gonna go over top of it with Lagrimas, which is a matte teal mint shade. Fun, games, party. Okay, I'm gonna hop off camera real quick. I'm going to do some winged liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did clean up under the eyes just a scotch, and I'm sure that there are so many that are like, Linda, why aren't you wearing fake lashes? Because that would make this look so much better. And that's because I hate fake lashes. I hate them. I do wear them sometimes, and I agree, it makes it look like, mwah, it takes it to the next level, but at the same time, like, they're just so heavy, and we're in quarantine, I can't be bothered. For my blush, I'm going in with this Ocean Girl Beach Cheeks blush. This is from Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's sister brand. I think this is aimed at like 12-year-old girls, but I'm not a 12-year-old girl. For highlight, I am going old school, and this is the Balm's Mary Luminizer. It's just a very light champagne-y color, but this, I feel like this is the OG highlight, and no one ever uses it anymore, and it's still like, look at that. For the lips, I'm really hoping this doesn't ruin everything. But if it does, we take it off because it's lipstick. So I'm thinking of going in with Ofra Havana Nights. This is a deep, kind of dark brown brick red, and then going over it with the gloss in Millie. This is from the Ofra and Samantha March collection. Yeah, let's just do this. It's makeup. I think it'll work. So here is the final look. How do I feel about it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't think it's the worst. I just feel like maybe there's some things I could have done a little bit better. Like maybe if I had really cut the crease and gotten that red in there. I did wind up liking this lip with it. It's very vampy, very sexual. I do still think that Papel Picado, which is that bright chartreuse green, is my favorite color out of these two palettes, but all in all, this was a lot of fun. Even if it didn't come out exactly perfect, it's makeup and we just play and we have fun with it. So these two palettes, I still absolutely love them. Thank you so much to Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner and Jen from Beauty Riot X for collabing with me on this video. This was a lot of fun. Videos like this always push me outside of my comfort zone and they make me try things that I might not have tried before. So try it with your collection. Go to random.org and put in some numbers and see what you come up with. So that is it, you guys. If you liked this video, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up. It really does help other viewers to see my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. I do put out new videos here on YouTube every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so please subscribe and become a part of my Rockstar fam. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout, and as always and forever, you are all super freaking rock stars, and I love you with my whole heart. Like this one, it's like, I love you, I love you, I love you. I took that a little far. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye. How do I feel about this? How do I feel about it? What feelings do I have?